GetResponse is a comprehensive online marketing platform designed to streamline your marketing efforts. Here's a concise guide to utilizing its key features. Email marketing. Create and manage lists. Organize your contacts into targeted lists for personalized communication. Design emails. Use a drag-and-drop editor to craft engaging newsletters and promotional emails. Automation. Set up autoresponders and automated workflows to nurture leads and engage customers. Landing pages. Build pages. Utilize customizable templates to create landing pages that capture leads or promote products. A/B testing. Experiment with different designs and content to optimize conversion rates. Webinars. Host webinars. Engage your audience through live or recorded webinars, fostering interaction and education. Integration. Seamlessly integrate webinars with your email campaigns for follow-ups and reminders. Marketing automation. Create workflows. Develop automated customer journeys based on user behavior and preferences. Segmentation. Segment your audience to deliver tailored content, enhancing engagement and conversions. Analytics and reporting. Monitor performance. Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to assess campaign effectiveness. Optimize strategies. Use insights from reports to refine your marketing strategies and improve results.